Hi students and hi everyone. Welcome to my channel ICT Active Learners. Today I am going to explain the if condition with the sum statement together. So sum if I am going to explain, and we are going to perform some calculations by using sum if condition. Previously we have worked with the count if. Today we have something new that is called sum if. So what we need to do is we need to have our previous file, that is 20J. So as you can see, it is 20J task. Then here we need to insert the label total experience for cell A34. So I will scroll down A34, and I'm going to say here total experience. Total experience in cell A34, the label programmer in A35. Here I'm going to type programmers, and then after and engineer in cell A34, and here engineer in cell A36. So this is what we have typed. Then so in A34, A36 and A35 we have entered the data. Now we need to insert a function in cell B35 that use both absolute and relative reference to calculate number of years experience for the programmers. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the sum if condition to find out the experience for the programmers and engineers according to the experience they have. So first of all, for programmers, so equal to sum if. When I start with the bracket, they ask me two things. First is range and then your criteria. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select first of all my range. So in this case, when I'm selecting my range, I will just simply go to the area here, and then I will start selecting the year experience. Like if you look at the previous, like look at the function that we have used, so we just use the first of all the range. So this is the range. Okay, this is not going to be changed, so I'm going to use here the relative absolute reference first of all, F4, then comma, I will look at programmers, and then comma, I'm going to sum up the range for the year of experience. So that is the sum range. So first we have to select your range, then the criteria, and then the sum. So what I have done, I have just selected first the type of job, that is my range, comma, then my criteria, as I'm looking for the experience of programmers, then A35, and then the sum range, the experience, and again I'm going to use the absolute reference. And when I close the bracket here and press enter button, so it calculates the experience for programmers. So as you can see here, at the moment it gives me the result 0, because as you can see I have used my cell reference and this one, the what we call the range 1, but still I am getting the result here 0. So we need to double click and check where we are making mistake. So it is perfect. We'll just press enter and just replicate this function for the other one. So here for the engineers I got the result 26 years. So we'll check again for programmers in this case, just one more time. Yes, first of all your range, then criteria, then sum range. So what we need to do, we'll just refresh this function, sum if. First of all we choose our range, then comma, here we have programmer, then comma, and then I'm going to use the years of experience here. Close the bracket and press enter. So it gives me result 0 because of the spelling mistake here. As you can see, I have not typed the spelling properly. That must be programmer. So here when I get the result, I get the perfect result, but I have to use the absolute reference, because if I replicate, for example, I replicate this function now for the other value, so sometime it will not give you the accurate result. So that's why you have to always use the absolute reference for all the cells, and you just leave this one relative reference because it will change according to the requirement. So when you replicate this function, you get the result. So this is how we are using the SUMIF function in Excel. So hope you have learned how to use SUMIF function. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel for more videos and updates.